जाते थे ताकि उन्हें यहूदी से खरीदना ना पड़े। द ज्यू learned a bitter lesson. Whereas he had hoped to make more money, he made none at all. He went to Usman Anha and offered to sell the other half of the well also. Hazrat Usman Anha could have refused to buy it, for the Muslim had no longer any difficulty. But such was his generosity that he paid the Jew whatever he asked for his share. The well was dedicated as an endowment to the people of Medina. The well exists in Medina to this day and is known as Bir Usman or Usman's well. Translation: The Jew learned यहूदी को मिला a bitter lesson, एक कड़वा सबक। यानी यहाँ पर यहूदी ये सोच रहा था कि मैं बहुत मुनाफा कमाऊंगा हज़रत उस्मान दाना को शराकतदार बना के, वहाँ पर उसको एक कड़वा लेसन मिला, उसको एक कड़वा सबक मिला कि उसे कुछ भी हाथ नहीं आया।